Yeah, I just left BMW, and BMW told me I needed a new tire. One new tire is like $456 with labor and all that, man. I'm like, damn. So it made me think, like, what if I didn't have $500 for one new tire? I would have to get on here and scam y'all out of money. But instead, I give out free game, freenosbook.com, durucontracts.com. The contracts is free. I also got the YouTube channel with all the free information, Real Estate Duru. But I say this to say that we need to start lining up assets like that. I own that corner. That's a triplex. I own that. But we need to start lining up assets like that and stop being a liability to yourself, but an asset to the corporation. All right, I'm Nasa, aka the Real Estate Duru. I'm not a guru, I'm a Duru, because I actually do this business.